This afternoon, I'm off to go get one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes, that's bún chả, with my gym buddy Young. So I'm gonna go meet him at the place now, and let's go see what the food's like. I'm meeting Young here where he stays, just a few minutes away from where I live here in Thao Dien. And then we'll be going to a local restaurant that I know, I think called Chi Minh, to go get bún chả, which is like grilled pork, and then bún noodles, thin white vermicelli noodles, maybe some spring rolls too, and it's got a really nice sauce. I've missed it for a long time since local restaurants have been closed in lockdown. This will be the first bún chả I've had in about 6 months, so looking forward to it. Let's go check it out when Young arrives. Hey Young, hi. Welcome to the vlog. Cafe dứa.
Cafe dứa, and yeah, this first time try cafe dứa. Actually, the coffee with coconut. So it's my first time. I'm gonna try and we'll see how it tastes.
Is it cafe dứa or cafe dứa?
Here in the south, like people say cafe dứa, but in the north, basically they would say cafe dứa.
From my friend Zung. Zung or Young? Good, enjoy.
Yeah. Okay.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good. It's like coffee mixed with coconut.
I think it's like the coconut ice cream, isn't it? So it's quite ice blend.
Yeah, ice blend kind of. It's good. A little bit weird, but it's good.
Enjoy. And I got the baxi da. Wow. Condensed milk and fresh milk.
Looks nice.
And spilled it everywhere.
Cheers, mate.
So now we've finished our coffees. Mine was about 30k and Young's coconut coffee was about 50k, so only $2. So I think we're getting a bit hungry now. We're just gonna pay up and we're gonna head to the bún chả place. You hungry?
Yes, let's hit the road.
Let's go. Just 2 minutes down the road, so let's go get bún chả. Well, that was super quick. Sat down, ordered 2 bún chả already there. Got some kumquat, chili, this is some garlic sauce, some fresh veggies, bun noodles, and this is a nem. It's like a fried spring roll and grilled pork bún chả. So Young, do you want to show us, as a real Vietnamese, do you want to show how to do bún chả?
Yeah, sure. Basically, people will, in Vietnam we use, most of the time we eat with chopstick. So you use chopstick, and for bún chả usually you would take chopstick and then you take the noodle, right here, and then you put in your bowl, obviously, and then you can get some veggie also, some vegetable, and just eat like that.
Yeah, cool. Are you a chili kind of guy or garlic?
Yeah, chili.
Really?
I like chili.
I can't do the chili.
So I take one. Usually here people will eat chili like this. So you take chili in your hand, then you down a little bit, and then you just eat with food. Give a little bit more taste.
Nice. I can't do it. No chili for me. No chili. Enjoy. Kim moi.
Chúc ngon miệng.
Yeah. So follow the bun. I like a bit of the. I don't like the dark green leaves. I only like this kind of lettuce.
Well, I should do like you put a bún chả and then you stick with the beef, and I will show like eat and then.
Yummy. I think I'm gonna do a bit of garlic in here as well. A little bit of this garlic oil. Do you want some of that in there, man? I think it's veggie, although I'm not sure.
Let me check. Yeah, I think it's like a mixture with some veggie, carrot, like mushroom, and also meat inside. And then roll with the rice paper.
Yeah.
It's fried. It's good. I like it. 1, 2, 3, action!
It's already rolling, but the guy's not there, so... So Yum, I want to order a drink here, but the waiter is nowhere to be found. In Vietnamese culture, is it okay for me to just shout, you know, hang on,
Yeah.
You know, in a restaurant, you can just shout to get the attention. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's basically you just say anh ơi ở chị ơi. Vietnamese is a little bit different because depend on the gender and the age. So usually, if someone is male and older than you a little bit, you can ask for attention like anh ơi. They will come over and then you can order.
Just because in the West, you know, we would never shout across a restaurant, you know, oi, waiter, like waiter, or like, excuse me, or, you know, click or something. Especially in the UK, we're very polite, and we would just wait, you know, even for 5 minutes till we look at them, and then we, you know, put a hand up or something. It's not in our culture to, you know, shout across the restaurant, so I'll try it and see. Should I try and get, but he looks busy. He's chopping up some pork or something.
Yeah, basically for next customer. But usually if you want something, I mean you want to ask for order, you have to get him.
Yeah, get his attention.
Yeah, you have to.
Should I try shout?
Okay, let's try it.
Nice. I feel embarrassed to do it. It's a bit embarrassing. Let's see. Anh ơi! Anh ơi! Cho em 2 chả đá. Come on.
There you go.
Yeah, not too bad. I think you got it,
right?
Yeah.
Because if you don't ask, they will sit there forever because they don't know your
that's right.
intention.
Yeah.
So better to ask.
Hopefully I'm gonna get 2 iced teas and not 2 more bowls of bún chả. Alright, 3, 2. So we just finished our bún chả here. We just paid up. It was about 160k. So this is about £6 or $8, which is really good value for 2 bún chả and 1 fried nem, which was good. So my local Jung, he's eaten many bún chả in his time. What did you think about this one? Was it good?
Wow, this is good. Probably it's not the best I have ever eaten, but I would give it 7 out of 10. I like the meatball here. I think it's pretty good. Yeah.
Good, 7 out of 10, not bad for a foreigner area. So that was nice. We finished up. Jung knows a little spot by the river, so we might go buy a beer and check out the river while the weather's nice. So let's get on the way.
Yeah, the sun is shining, so we get a beer.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Enjoy. So Jung brought us to this nice local spot just by Saigon River. We're sitting on one of 2 benches. Luckily it's free. We can see loads of guys around here. They're just doing some fishing. Jung says they're probably only fishing for fun, not for food, but it's quite nice. Quite a nice spot here. We can see some guys on the other side doing some paddle boarding. Let's watch the ships come and go. Quite nice, good spot, mate. Well done, good choice.
Cheers.
Apparently it's like a pumping station, right, for the flooding in Thao Dien.
Correct.
With some graffiti on the wall. Do some recycling, that's nice. Ah, beautiful weather for a walk. Look at that. What a really nice place to walk. Good spot, Jung. I'm surprised I never came to this spot before. It's a shame, a little bit trashy in the water, lots of plastic and stuff, but the weather's beautiful and it's nice to walk on a path next to the river. Yeah.
Feel like a little village here.
Yeah. Yeah, nice vibe. Even the little jungle gym, the little outdoor gym. Quite a nice little playground. That's another thing you can't escape in Vietnam. People just burning stuff. The guy back there, he was burning like an old chair and a plastic box. Must be really bad to breathe. I walked past him and he's, you know, big smiles. He's happy about it, but not the best for breathing in.
Sorry.
Come on.
Sorry.
So I think we're going to finish off this vlog here. So Nice to see you again, Young. Thanks for joining for
You're welcome, man.
coffee BÚN CHİ and showing me this cool spot by the river. So if you want to see more, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Up here you can watch a video about apartment hunting here in District 2, and down there playlist all about Vietnam travel. So thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can see Young in some next videos, I'm sure, and see you next time.
Anytime. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.